Alright guys, so I want to show you how you can build a portfolio website for yourself using AI. So whichever niche you're into, whether you're into web design, um, any niche at all, you can build a website for yourself using this AI tool. So just like as you can see on my own screen, you can see the website I built. This is my own portfolio website I built using Lovable AI. So you can see how nice this looks. Right, so I have some links to projects I've done, and if you come here, you see the services I offer, and you also see a contact form that works just fine, and also my contact details. So you can build all of this using AI in just a few minutes. So I'll be showing you that in some few minutes from now. So let's dive in and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to this website, lovable.dev, lovable.dev. So go to lovable.dev, and then you see, if you don't have an account, you want to sign up. So I'm already logged in to my own lovable.dev account. So the next thing we want to do to build our portfolio website, alright, whether you're into graphic design, video editing, web design, or any niche. So what we want to do now is we want to first of all give Lovable a prompt. Alright. So to get this prompt, I will leave it in the description below on the prompt you are going to give to Lovable. But first of all, what we want to do is we want to get a prompt that we are going to put on ChatGPT. Alright. So let me quickly get that. So this is the prompt, alright, that you put on ChatGPT. So this particular prompt will, when you put it on ChatGPT, it will ask you some certain questions about you and about your website, the kind of things you want to add to your website. So this is the prompt. You copy it. Like I said, I'll put it in the description for you to also download and use in your ChatGPT too. So we'll copy this prompt and we'll go to ChatGPT. Then you come to your ChatGPT account, then you paste it here. And so after pasting the prompt here, this prompt, once you run it, it will ask you some certain questions about your website. So in my own case, when I did mine, it asked me my full name, alright. Then it will also ask you some other information like where you've worked, if you have some portfolio and all of those things. So after you've answered all of those questions, it will then generate a full prompt for you that you can actually copy and paste to your Lovable. Alright. So let me scroll down to where I have it. Yeah, so after answering the whole questions, this is it here. So you copy from this place down, copy from this place. Then after you've answered the whole questions from ChatGPT, you come here, then you copy this particular answer up to this point. Ignore this lesser than and greater than sign. So you just copy that, then you go to lovable.dev, then you paste it there, right? Paste it there. Okay, let me also remove this. You should start from create a visually striking dark theme portfolio website. So start from there. Then we want to give ChatGPT a demo picture of what it can replicate for us. So to get a demo, you can go to Dribble. Let's go to Dribble, so we can see some website demos that we can give to ChatGPT. So I'll just come in here and I'll click on, let's say, landing page. Landing page, or better still, I say portfolio website. So I'll search for that. and then it will give me a lot of samples that we can use. So let's say or better still, let me use a better keyword. Let's say personal portfolio. Personal portfolio. So I'll click enter and search for that. So it will give me a lot of cool designs I can choose for. So let's say I like this. I'll click on that, and so I'll just right click on this image. Let me download the image. I'll just save. Right, so come back to and I'll just click on upload to upload that image. So yes, so I'll say use this image as sample. This image as a sample. Create a visually striking dark themed portfolio website with all of the information I have given it. So I'll scroll down and I'll click on enter. So we'll just wait for it while it does its thing. Wait for it to process and do the magic for us. So it will take some few seconds or some few minutes. So let's wait for it to successfully get done. So as you can see here, it's creating the file and the components for our website. Yep, so here we go. This is what we have. Let me open this in a new tab so we can see it in full width. So this is nice. This is what we've been able to achieve. So this looks very clean. Look at we can go ahead later on to add our own profile picture here. This is very nice. And look at the about me section. That's my details. So this is my portfolio section. Look at how it arranges all of this for me. You can even click the view button to view the website in my portfolio. Right, so this is really cool. So you can also see the services section here. Right, then you also have a contact form here. So this is very nice, and within a few minutes we've been able to achieve all of this using Lovable AI. So this is really fantastic. So the next thing we want to do now is we want to add an image to our website, a profile picture to our website. So we'll go back to here, and to add a profile picture, we don't want to just upload it here. We want to use the link to our image. I don't want to just upload the picture directly, because sometimes if you upload your pictures directly on Lovable, it might break. So you want to upload it to a website and get the link itself and come back here and put that link. So let's do that. So to add the image, we will go to this website called postimages.org. postimages.org. I also drop the link in the description. So what I want to do is we'll click on choose image. So I'll select an image from my system. Then let me get that image. Alright, so this is the image I want to use, so I'll just upload that. So the next thing I want to do, I want to click on this one that says direct link. So I'll copy the direct link and go back to Lovable, and I want to come in here and say URL. Then I'll paste in that URL there. Go to the next line. I'll say here is the URL of my website. Here is the URL of my profile picture, rather. URL of my profile picture. Add it to the hero section in a circular mask. Here's the URL of my profile picture. Add it to the hero section of my circular mask. So I'll just press enter and let it do its thing. It's magic. So we just wait for some few seconds for that to process. So let's see. I think that has been, yeah. So that has been successfully done. So let's go to our preview and let me reload our website. So here we go. See, we have our profile picture and it's looking nice and clean. So we've been successfully added our profile picture to our website, and our website is looking far more better. So the next thing we want to do is, if you notice that at the footer section of our website we have a contact form, and if we fill in this information and I say hello, click on send message, it will say message sent successfully, but actually the contact form is not working. And so we want to make this contact form work so that whenever someone fills in the form and sends us a message, we get it directly to our email address. So let's get that to work. So we'll come to our chat here and we want to click on this icon that says chat. Then we'll toggle it on. So once it turns blue, we know that it's active. Alright. So what we want to do is we want to ask it to make the contact form work. So we'll say when someone submits the contact form, I need to receive the details in my Gmail account. Suggest some free tools for this. So when someone submits the contact form, I need to receive the details in my Gmail account. Suggest some free tools for this. So I just click on enter. So it's giving us some options. Okay, so from the Option is giving us here. It's asking us that we can use email.js for implementation of these contacts to make the contacts from work. So it has given us some steps. It says sign up on email.js accounts, sign up for your email.js accounts, connect Gmail account, and create template. Right. So to make this contacts from work, and so that once people fill it, we'll get the information in our Gmail. First thing you want to do is you want to go to email.js and want to create an account. So let's go to email.js website. I'll also be dropping the link to the website in the description. So if I go to Google and I just say email.js, I should be able to see the link to the site. So this is it, and I'll click on it. Then you can click on create free accounts to create an account, but I think I already have an account, so I'll just click on sign in. But if you don't have one, just create one. Okay, this is taking quite long to load. Let me use my VPN, because I think sometimes websites like this might have some issue if I use VPN to load. So let me try turning on my VPN. Okay, so it's loading now. So it was more of like a VPN issue. Alright, so I'll just log into my account and I click on sign in. Yes, so this is my account. Create an email service first. So to create an email service, click on add new service, then click on Gmail, or click on connect account first. Select your email, then click on continue. Then you want to also still click on continue. Alright, so it's connected. But in your own, when you're doing those whole process, you might see a option that requires you to click on a checkbox. Make sure you click on that checkbox before you then continue. So after that, to bring it to this place and it will show connected, then you want to click on create service. So now the service has been created. So let's go to email template. Let's create a new template. So click on create new template, and then I will just say create template. Alright, then I will click on edit content and click on design editor. And so click on this. I'll leave this as it is, but you can go ahead and edit it if you want something better. So I'll just come down here and click on portfolio site. That should look like a footer in the mail that will be sent. I'll put this in italics. Yep, in italics. Then that should be it. And I'll come in here and click on apply changes to save that. So the subject, I'll just say new contact us, then I'll just come in here and click on save. So this has been saved, and that should be it. But before I completely save this, let me also add a new tag so we can see the sender email. So let me click on edit content again, then design editor, come in here and from email. Alright, Then I'll click on apply changes to save that. So I'll also click on save again to finally save it here. Now to make the email.js work, we also need to get some information, which includes public key, the template ID, and also the email service. So to get all of those information, we'll go to accounts, then you copy out your public key. So I'll just copy out the public key and put in a notepad. So I'll just put the public key here. Public key. I'll paste it here. Then the next thing I need is also my template ID, and I also need the email service. So I'll go back to my dashboard, my email.js account. Then the next thing we want to get is template ID. So to get that, go back to email templates, then you look for the one you just created, you click on edit. Alright, template ID should be okay. Let's go back. So this is the template ID. Just simply copy it out here and go back again. Trying to copy that, but it seems keeps opening. Okay, so just go to settings, then copy this. This is the template ID, so I'll just copy it out. Then I'll go to my notepad and paste it here. Then we also need the email service. So to get the email service, go back here and come here, and this is the email service. Copy it out. This is the email service. Then go to our notepad and paste the email service here. So after we've gotten this information, we want to then go back to Lovable. We just copy all of this out first, then we go back to Lovable, and then we'll say, just paste it first, then give some space, then I'll say here are my public key, template ID, email service, of email.js. Integrate them with the contact form. So here my public key, template ID, email service of email.js. Integrate them with the contact form. So I just click on enter again. So the next thing I'm going to tell it is to implement email.js integration. Implement the email.js integration. Or better still, instead of typing it out all over again, I can just click on this button that says implement the email.js integration. So just wait for it to process that. Alright, so that has been successfully done. So let's test it now. So let's go back to our website and reload. Right, so if I come in here and put in my name, email address, then I say hello. So click on send message and let's see. Okay, so let me go to my Gmail and see if that message came in. And there we go. So the message has come in and this is it. It says this hello, and this is the message. So let's try something again. Let's say let's use another email address. Let's say 987. Then I would like you to build a website for me. Build a website for me. So send that again and check my Gmail, and there we go. So this is nice. So it's working perfectly. So once someone fills the form on our website, it will send us a notification to our Gmail. So we've been able to successfully integrate email.js on our website, and our portfolio website is now actually working fine and it's better now. So the next thing we want to do is we want to publish our website so that we can also have a link that we can share to people. So the next thing we want to do is we want to like rename the link. So to do that, come here and click on name project. Then I'll give it a project name of, let's say, Mailbong. Then I'll click on rename project. Alright, then I'll click on publish. Click on publish. Alright, so there we have it. This is our link that we can share to others. I just copy this link and I can share it to my friends, and if I open it in a new tab, and there we go. So this is our lovely website, fully done and looking nice. And as usual, if you want to make any changes or adjustments to your website, maybe you want to add new stuff, new information, new images, you can always come in here via this chat or the prompt section, put in your prompt and do your adjustments as you want, and then you can also, that's how you can make changes on your website. Right, and if you look at the domain that you were given, it is a subdomain and it is attached to lovable.app. So if you want a custom domain, there's an upgrade plan on lovable.dev. You can click on upgrade. Then I think in their pro plans you can get a custom domain. So if you have a domain you bought and can do the connection, and you can have your own website link attached. So let's say your own domain name is mailbong18.site or mailbong18.com. You can then do that once you upgrade the lovable.dev to a pro plan. But so far so good, we've been able to successfully build our own portfolio website. All right, and I'll be attaching some of the prompts and links that you'll be needing to build your own successful portfolio project or portfolio website. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you have any question, don't forget to let me know via comments, or you can just send me an email. So if you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and if you're watching this on YouTube, leave just subscribe to the channel. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks.